Hi guys, it's Micaela Reyes here again. Welcome back to my channel. And now we are going to be doing, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my healthy celery banana smoothie for glowing skin. And this is what I usually make to, when you want to make your skin glow more and be more healthy. So right now I'm going back to my healthy mode because lately I feel like I kind of stop for a little bit. Well, usually I'm into healthy lifestyle, but lately I kind of added a little bit of junk. So now I feel like, cleaning out my diet and my lifestyle. So yeah, this is what I'm like really into. So I've been doing this for a long time since before. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I already cut some celery, so I put it here, as you can see. I have a plate here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have a glass, some celeries, and bananas, and yeah, so we're gonna make a smoothie. So I'm just gonna open the water. I mean, you can use filter water as well. So for this smoothie, you're going to need ice cubes. So I freeze that in my freezer, and then some bananas. You can use frozen ripe bananas as well. That'll make your smoothie even more sweeter. And yeah, so celeries, and then that. And yeah, I'm sorry, my music is a little bit loud because I don't know, I don't like to record so quietly. So we're gonna use, I'm gonna use 2 bananas actually. So I'll leave it there, and then I'll peel this off. I left this in the fridge, so it's a little bit hard. So usually you just peel it like that, right? But since it's a little bit frozen, so I have my banana here, I just left it there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you're having a hard time opening it, I just simply open it from there. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. But anyways, okay, so there I'll cut it into like, I thought that was half, guys. I thought that was half. But anyways, it's okay. So just cut it into half like that. Alright guys, so I'm back now, and I already put some bananas here. We're redoing it again because it was too much. I shouldn't have put the ice first. So I put the banana first, some celeries. Okay, so we're just gonna put the little ones because this blender is a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some ice. Our ice are kind of melting. Ice cubes. Well, they're circles. So usually actually I put the ice on top. I don't know why I put it underneath. Yeah, and then put some water. You can use filter water as well, but for me I'm using water bottles. Sorry for the environment, but soon we'll do filter. Okay, and then make sure it's close. I put a little bit of water. I might add a little bit more later because I want to add more. And then this is your healthy when I corrected it. So I'm actually gonna put more bananas. Just put it inside because I feel bad for these bananas. No one's gonna be using it. And I'm gonna put a little bit more ice. Unfortunately, we can't use all the celeries, but what you can do is you can save it for the next day closed, and then put it there again. What I do is I like to shake it a little bit. You can also add some nice powders here. You can use matcha powder. You can also use spirulina powder for more greens. But yeah, for me right now, I'm not putting it. Actually, a little bit more. I still... Alright guys, so that's it. That's done. And now we're gonna try our... Actually, you can just open it like that. And we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out. Beautiful.
Introducing the all-new Ford Maverick. A truck
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
A truck with an available standard hybrid engine built to defy.
And before I try it, sorry guys, I'm just gonna take a picture because I'm gonna show my lover. I'm gonna show my lover, Elias.
To entertain and be entertained. To find the inspiration to create amazing things. Even to adversity.
Cheers guys, let's try this out. This is the glowing skin smoothie. Glowing skin smoothie, banana celeries, and just water and ice. Beautiful. So good guys. I can taste the banana. I actually barely taste the celery. This is so healthy. I love it. Cheers, guys. So this is so good to, you know, resume your health, your healthy lifestyle. And if you're into working out and you want to work out, this is good. So you can do this like right in the morning or after your workout, because you know you did a lot of energy work, so you want to replenish your body with more nutrients and healthy nutrients. It could have been more icy because usually I like it icy, but it's actually a perfect consistency. I don't know if you guys can see it. So guys, that's about it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my healthy glowing skin smoothie by Micaela, Reyes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and try it out, and let me know how it tastes like when you guys have tried it. And yeah, it's really healthy and beautiful, and I hope you guys have a beautiful and healthy week, and always look out after your health. You know, watch what you eat, and you are what you eat. So but at the same time, I'm also working on it. So yeah, I'm gonna create more healthy videos for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like, and comment down below. Thank you and take care. Ciao.